My name is Rick. I'm a climate scientist at the University of Birmingham, and I spend most of my life in a lab. But I love the outdoors, and whenever I can, I put on my hiking shoes and disappear into the wilderness. But this trip is a little different. I was invited to join Jacques Olivier and his white-tailed eagle Victor on an expedition into the Scottish Highlands. They came here because Scotland is known in Europe for having reintroduced the white-tailed eagle. This magnificent bird had been persecuted and ultimately disappeared from Britain by the end of the 1800s. Today, more than 100 of them can be seen soaring through the Scottish skies. Jacques Olivier hoped to see them. He wanted to understand how Scotland had succeeded in bringing these eagles back. For my part, I was fascinated by Victor. My passion is studying the climate and developing new ways to make atmospheric measurements. For years, our group here at Birmingham has been dreaming of equipping birds with sensors to study urban environments. And here was the bird we had been looking for. An eagle who could carry a camera on his back. It was a match made in heaven. Jacques Olivier agreed to lend us Victor's expertise to carry our sensors. So we set out together to find a remote valley far from human presence where we would be able to make our measurements in pristine air. And on the way, we hoped to see Victor's cousins of the wild. Despite the relatively cold conditions for the season, as soon as we reached the trees, we were delighted to see them, soaring freely at the heart of this magnificent wilderness. The Scottish reintroduction of these eagles shows us that sometimes we can have a positive impact. We are able to fix mistakes of the past. And I wonder, will we be able to do the same for climate change? I certainly hope so. And today is a first. We will send Victor into the sky with our sensors and compare the data he collects with that of more traditional meteorological balloons. If it works, this innovative approach will be confirmed, and in the future we may be able to equip city birds with smaller sensors to study urban climate. I can only marvel at the possibilities that arise when we open our minds and make wild species our allies, when we truly share our territories in a harmonious and respectful way, which ultimately will benefit us all.